Welcome to our comprehensive 2025 research analysis on one of the most pressing questions in technology. Will AI replace cybersecurity professionals? The short answer is no, but it will fundamentally transform the profession. With 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity positions globally through 2025, the demand for human expertise continues to far outpace any risk of AI replacement. While entry-level roles are being automated, strategic and analytical positions are becoming more critical than ever. Human expertise remains irreplaceable for complex decision-making, creative problem-solving, and strategic planning in the evolving cybersecurity landscape. Current cybersecurity landscape. The cybersecurity field faces a massive talent shortage that persists despite AI advancements. There are 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally through 2025, a staggering 350% growth from just 1 million open positions in 2013. The United States alone has 750,000 unfilled positions. This shortage exists because of a rapidly evolving threat landscape, increasing digital transformation across all industries, growing sophistication of cyber attacks, and a critical shortage of professionals with specialized expertise. The reality is clear. Demand for cybersecurity talent far exceeds any risk of AI replacement, creating a robust job market for skilled professionals. AI transformation in cybersecurity. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity through powerful defensive applications and enhanced capabilities. In threat detection and response, AI analyzes massive data volumes in real time, identifies patterns humans might miss, accelerates threat identification, and reduces data breach costs and life cycles. Routine tasks like system monitoring, compliance checks, alert generation, and report drafting are being automated. AI enables context-aware security solutions, predictive threat intelligence, adaptive learning systems, and integration across hybrid environments. However, there's a dark side. Attackers are leveraging AI for sophisticated social engineering, generating hacking tools, writing malware, and creating convincing phishing campaigns. This creates an arms race where AI serves as both the greatest threat and the greatest defense. Jobs most affected. The impact of AI varies significantly across cybersecurity roles. High-risk positions include entry-level analyst roles where tasks like drafting routine security reports, generating standard alerts, basic threat monitoring, and creating management presentations are being automated. Administrative functions involving standard documentation, basic incident logging, and repetitive security audits are also affected. However, critical human roles remain essential. Strategic positions like security architects, incident response leaders, threat hunters, and security strategy planners are becoming more valuable than ever. Complex decision-making involving risk assessment, business context interpretation, ethical considerations, and regulatory compliance requires human judgment. Creative problem-solving for novel threats, APT analysis, and zero-day vulnerability research remains firmly in the human domain. Benefits and challenges. The benefits of AI in cybersecurity are substantial, including efficiency gains through faster data analysis, dynamic incident response, and improved risk management. Cost benefits come from lower operational expenses, reduced manual tasks, better resource allocation, and faster breach detection. AI empowers human teams by freeing them for high-priority threats, augmenting capabilities, reducing burnout, and enabling strategic focus. However, challenges include high implementation costs, data quality issues, integration complexity, and explainability requirements. Organizational concerns involve data privacy, lack of skilled AI managers, risk of over-reliance, and the need for human oversight. Strategic limitations include AI's inability to understand business context, lack of human intuition, false positives, and constant updating requirements. Future career evolution. The future of cybersecurity careers involves evolution rather than replacement, with emerging roles like AI security specialists, machine learning security engineers, AI ethics officers, automated security operations managers, and human AI collaboration coordinators. Professionals need to develop AI and machine learning knowledge, advanced analytical capabilities, strategic thinking, business acumen, and continuous learning mindsets. Job security factors include growing attack surfaces from cloud and IoT, increasing regulatory requirements, persistent talent shortage, and AI creating new security challenges to solve. Real-world adoption shows 50% of companies are just starting AI implementation, with only 12% reaching full maturity, indicating this transformation is still in early stages. Key recommendations. For current cybersecurity professionals, job security remains strong, and the key is embracing AI as a capability enhancer while focusing on strategic skills and continuous learning. Aspiring professionals should recognize the field is growing, specialize in areas requiring human expertise, and learn to work alongside AI tools. Organizations should implement AI for targeted automation rather than wholesale replacement, invest in upskilling, maintain human oversight, and balance automation with human expertise. Best practices include starting with routine task automation, gradual expansion of capabilities, proper training, and maintaining human-in-the-loop processes. Conclusion. The verdict is clear. AI is transforming cybersecurity, not replacing it. AI automates routine tasks, enhances human capabilities, creates new roles, and increases the need for strategic expertise. The human element remains critical for complex decision-making, strategic planning, creative problem-solving, ethical considerations, and business context understanding. The bottom line, the cybersecurity profession is evolving, not disappearing. Professionals who adapt and embrace AI as a tool will not just survive but thrive in this new landscape, supported by strong job security and growing demand for their uniquely human capabilities.